Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about this gray look over here. It's a gray smoky eye, very easy to do, so if you want to know how I did it, keep on watching. First thing that I did is apply black eyeshadow from Makeup Forever all over my mobile lid. I applied the black eyeshadow with a flat brush all over my mobile lid, and then I am going to soften with a fluffy brush. To be more precise and know exactly where your blending you want to be, you have to look straight in the mirror. Finished with my upper lid, I am going to apply black on my lower lid exactly in the same manner how I did before. After I apply it, I slightly gonna blend it with a fluffy brush. Okay, it's time for the next step. After we finish with the black, I am going to pick a gray color from Urban Decay palette, Naked, and I am going to apply it on top of the black color with the emphasis in the center of my eye. Before I used the fluffy brush, I first put some setting spray on it, so the glitter pops up even more and it's more visible. Step, what I am going to do is soften a little bit the edges of the black, and for this I am gonna choose a Kiko Cosmetics white eyeshadow. From NYX Cosmetics Born to Glow palette, I am gonna choose two highlighter that I am going to put under my eyebrows. We finished with the eyes, now it's time for the lips. For this look, I have chosen a pinkish shade. I am first gonna draw a line on my lips, and then I'm going to apply gloss. That's it for this video. I hope you really liked it. If so, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!